the pain in my voice. We couldn't do it without you. Love you so much, mama. Die, motherfucker, die. That's what them niggas was yelling out them caddy sunroofs while they letting loose. My mama there when the nigga was shot. I was pitching them rocks, had to live in them pots. Yeah, my son autistic, my mama fighting the kid.